So guys, you're welcome over here. This is how to download British Airways on your device. So if you want to use this app, what you have to do is to just scroll down on your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. Just tap on the Google Play Store. Then after that, you have to let it open. So let's wait whilst it's loading. And after that, tap on the search apps. Then after that, search for British Airways. So when it appears like this, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on this section, which is the install section over here, to get this installed on your device. So what you have to do is to tap on it. Then after that, you can see that it's pending. So let's wait when it gets downloaded. So let's wait for it to get download. So as you can see, it has started with the downloading, so let's wait for it to download to 100%. Then after that, we wait to get it installed on our device. So guys, just keep on waiting. So as you can see, we are done with the downloading and now we are getting it installed on our device. So guys, let's wait whilst it is installing on our device. So that's how it is, and we have get it downloaded on our device. So to use it, just tap on open, and when you tap on open, it's going to open for you to use it. So this is it. So this is how to download, or this is how to install the British Airways app on your device successfully. So it's very easy and simple. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other platform. See you in my next video.